Okay, so hey guys, Shamar Crossfield here, and in today's video, it's kind of a different type of video, by the way. This is my first in-person collab, and today we have the Adventures With Us crew. You guys should definitely check out their channel. Before you even see them, just check out them channel, And yeah, today we're going to be doing the best friend quiz to see which best friend pair really knows each other best, and the loser has to do a dare. So without further ado, I'm going to let you guys get introduced to the Adventures With Us crew.
Hey guys, I'm Rakisha.
I'm Sadara.
And we are from Adventures With Us. So we think that we're gonna win this round because we've known each other for like 7 years now. And I know you. You know? I don't know if you know me, but I know you.
I know you. But okay, you know me.
Alright.
Alright, so hey guys.
I'm Alicia.
I'm Shamar, obviously I know that. And I don't know, me and Alicia got win. Honestly, we know the videos them, but sadly we aren't as friends as long as them.
Yeah.
Them are 7 years.
And we're just like 3.
Yeah, we're just at 3, but we still go win, and I already know how it is. And yeah, let's go. So here we have the dares that the losing team has to pick from. They're in this jar. I think there are about 7 of them that are made up in the jar. And yeah, we're gonna see which losing team. They're pretty interesting dares. So we're gonna see which team really loses this thing. But I know that you guys, you know, me and Alicia,
Let's hope.
But yeah, we're gonna win, guys. If both get it wrong, then that's 0. If both of you get it right, then that's 3. But if one person gets it right and the other gets it wrong, that's 1 point. Okay. Alright. This. Alright, so guys, we have Rakisha and Sadara. They're first up. They're Adventures With Us. And the first question is, you have to write it on the paper. How tall is your best friend? How tall is your best friend?
Oh my gosh.
So we start off.
I'm guessing. I don't know this. Who's showing it first? Me or she? Or together? Same time?
At the same time.
Okay.
3,
don't know if this
2,
right properly.
1. What's that? 5'7", 5 feet.
You want
You-
to exchange paper?
You think Sadara is 5 feet?
What? Rakisha!
You think Sadara is 5 feet?
I don't know. 5'9".
Can I change it?
5'9". Yeah.
No, you can't change it.
What the? This is embarrassing.
And then Sadara thinks that.
You're 5'7".
5'7".
Yeah,
Are you 5'7", Rakisha?
Rikisha shorter than me.
Keep track of the notes.
Wait, stand up. Let's see.
Stand up.
This is
Wow.
embarrassing.
Oh gosh.
Guys, cut the
7
tape.
years.
Cut this out.
Wait then. Alright, so the next question is, was your best friend born in the daytime or the nighttime?
Rikisha, just think. Just think.
You can just take out like a guess it on.
Just pick which one you prefer.
But she suppose she was born in the afternoon.
Rikisha, just
A daytime, that 3, 2, 1. Is that correct?
Wait,
Or
no.
no.
Jesus Christ.
Wait, is
I
it
don't know,
correct?
you know. I have to ask my mom that.
Oh gosh.
It right?
I don't know. This right?
Yeah. I don't know.
You know, let's just give them that. What is your best friend's favorite ice cream flavor? No man.
You must know that. Wait, I think I know this. Alright, yeah. Oh, me know.
She don't know. We're just gonna write the answer now.
I got this right. I know I got this right.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Cookie and cream and vanilla. Is that right? Is he right?
She right?
No.
Oh gosh,
She's right.
she's right?
yeah.
Alright, so 1 point. Oh,
Vanilla,
gosh.
me not go put in my favorite flavor, Devon Stout.
Oh
No,
gosh.
What is that?
Yeah,
The
no.
alcoholic one?
Yeah.
Oh, I have no idea what that is.
Who is your best friend's celebrity crush?
I think she won't know, man, because my
It's
favorite celebrity.
Asian.
Are you ready?
It's gonna be so embarrassing if I
3,
spell wrong.
2, 1.
Somebody Asian.
What's that?
Pretty much. Well, I mean, you know, wrong.
That's
there.
not like a 1 point. You know. What do you think? 1
Yes.
point? Yeah, I gotta get a 1 point for that. Alright, number 5. What basic school did your best friend attend?
I don't know. Oh.
Oh wait, no. What is school name again?
Alright, so 3, 2, 1.
No, I know.
Early what? Read that.
Early children basic. What name
Is that-
early children basic?
Oh god.
St. Richard's.
Which is a kindergarten.
No. Which school is
St.
it?
Peter and Paul.
Yes.
Oh god.
Which basically
Williams
Bro.
Basic.
Alright, so number 6.
Them question are too hard.
Does your best friend prefer movies or TV shows?
Me know. Wait. Yes, I know this. She was telling me well, she told me yesterday what she was doing.
Yes, ready? Is that correct?
Yes.
You both got it right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah,
That's a three.
but me one day for like movies or TV shows, but I guess
prefer
it's
TV
yeah.
shows.
What is your best friend's favorite type of food?
Ricky, you say your best and this. But me don't know your.
I actually got this question from one of your guys' videos.
Alright, you're supposed to know this because I said this before in your presence. What is my favorite type of food? Let's hear it.
You're trying to make us look bad, you know?
Yeah. Anyways,
Alright, so 3, 2, 1.
as I spell
Chinese pizza.
it right? Well, that you're right.
Oh, so 1 point. Oh god. Alright, we're dwindling down. Number 8. What is your best friend's dream job?
Oh. You know this. We were discussing it last time. Why you don't know?
Dream job.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. YouTuber, movie director. Is
You're
that right?
You're right.
Oh,
Teacher?
God.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh no, Sarah. Jana, Sarah.
I'm not looking bad.
What age does your best friend want to get married?
You must know
So
this.
Darren, what are your weights at about this?
I know.
What age does your best
Can I
friend
put
want to
two
get
numbers?
married?
Sadar, please.
Right, I'm ready. Ready.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Is that correct, guys?
This right? You're not ready though.
Oh! Wait, what are the ages?
Mine's this.
Man, I'm 32.
So
Oh, this is the last question?
Yeah, the last question
So I
now.
have to get this right. I have to get it right.
You have to get it right.
Yeah.
What is your best friend's go-to KFC order?
Ready?
I think I know this occasion. But, ready?
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
What else?
Zinga zinga.
I'm the famous.
Famous bowl.
This is
What-
right.
That's right.
right.
So 1 point.
Wow. I'm actually
Dang.
get mine right this time.
So Adventures with Us, what really happened a while ago?
I mean, me have to apologize because I literally get like 2 questions right. I'm sorry. Guys, don't quote on the 7 years.
Don't worry.
We were just not ready, you know. I'm not really used to this. I need to study first. Before
My fault.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
I'm kind of nervous. I don't know.
Don't flop with
Why me?
Alright.
Why
Don't
me?
flop.
Alright, ready, guys?
Yeah.
So first question, what is my zodiac sign?
I know this enough, but she don't know it. I know say you don't know it enough, but me know it. Don't know.
Okay, I'm done.
Ready?
3, 2,
Oh, whoop.
1. You right?
She get it wrong. It's Taurus, and I know say I get my own right. I know you don't use
Yeah,
that
that's
say.
right.
I know say my
It
own
was
right.
between Taurus
Oh.
So
earlier.
that's 1 point.
Yeah.
What is one thing I couldn't live without?
I don't know to be honest. I'm done.
3, 2, 1. Right?
Man,
yeah.
Well,
This is correct.
I mean, yeah, Mulgi.
Alright.
You could have said something more meaningful, but you know.
Shamar, you know that's true. 3 points. Alright. Next.
Mhm.
Do I want kids? If so, how many? 3, 2, 1. Right?
My own right. That one right.
This is correct. Mine is 3.
Well,
So that's 1 point.
well,
4. What
boy and girl and girl.
What is my favorite number or lucky number?
I think mine should be obvious for you, you know. But as for you, alright. Well, wait.
3.
Man.
Alright, go. What at 53?
You're only wrong.
Yours is wrong too.
Yeah, mine is 15. Mine is 16.
It's 8.
How 8 come in a year own?
Digits of my birthday.
Oh, no, I just use 16 like, no, I just use 16 all the time. Generation.
Alright.
Yeah.
If I could go anywhere in the world, where would I go?
Wait.
You better get this
3,
right.
2, 1.
Mine is Europe.
Man, it's Africa, Shamar.
Oh shoot, yeah, that's true.
No.
That's true.
Don't.
That's true.
Don't even. I always talk about going
That's
to
true.
Africa.
I always talk about going to Africa
Oh
for
my
real.
gosh. And you're always babbling about Paris. So what are you talking about?
No, it was a Paris. I said, wait,
Well,
what was
France.
your own?
It's France.
No man, you're only wrong too. Europe. Only like a girl. Come on, is Europe, you know, in general, Europe. But she said France, and France in Europe. You know. And I get
1 point. 1 point.
Alright,
Yeah.
1.
Do I have a birthmark? If so, where?
Where?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't remember. Shama, you should know this. Though.
No, I know.
You should know this.
I should, shouldn't I?
You should.
Alright.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Yeah. She was on like right there, arm right here. I was about to put like left or right arm, but I never remember, so I'm just put on and back. Yeah.
Alright, so 3 points.
Can't believe we got Africa wrong. I'm still on that.
Next question. If I were to win the lottery, what is the first thing I would buy?
Done.
Okay.
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
Should open a free hospital. Should love to about opening a free hospital.
Yes, that's what I do.
And man, yeah. No,
He'd
that's
buy,
the first
he'd buy
thing.
technology like
First
the
thing.
the latest.
Latest iPhone 12.
Well, I'm proud of us. I'm proud.
Yeah.
I'm proud.
Alright, next. What is one thing that makes me angry or upset? Oh god, let them know this.
What else? Okay, I'm gonna go because this.
We're not even right yet.
Wait there. It's so
No,
much
Molly?
I just don't know.
I just don't know.
Right.
Alright.
Alright.
Show.
Stubbornness. And
It's
my
like-
own, that's correct for me.
Yeah.
But is your own correct? I don't think it is.
No.
So that's 1 point.
1 point.
What superpower would your best friend want to have or partner?
You better know this one here for me, you know. I always talk about it.
Oh,
I always talk about it. You ready?
Show.
What's that?
What else?
to fly.
To fly?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine is correct, you know. But is your own correct? Mine is
I
fly.
don't want to like breathe underwater.
Oh. I wouldn't know that. You never yet mentioned. She
Because
never
I
yet
don't like
mentioned that to me.
superhero movies anyway, so
Oh,
like,
last
I don't have no
question?
interest.
Last question.
Alright, Shamar, we have to get these.
No, I think we'll win.
Last question. Last question. Who made the first move?
Watch ya. Watch ya. First move with what?
What?
Oh.
What are you talking about, Shamar?
We don't even need to get into that.
So what happened there, guys? Explain to us what happened.
Africa, Shamar.
No, honestly, I never remember about
I'm
that.
going to Africa.
I never remember about that, you know. But man, overall,
That's like my dream place.
I'm pretty sure that we win, you know. So I'm not too salty, but at least I could get certain things like
Like
the,
what?
The,
Like what?
The first one. What was it again?
The sign?
The sign.
Shamar, I don't.
I knew hers was Scorpio, you know. I just know.
It's
I
not
don't
like you
even like.
advertise that it's Taurus. So
But you're
it's
just
like,
supposed to look it up. Anyways, I feel like we did good still.
not bad for 3 years.
Alright, so the scores are Adventures with Us on 11 and Shamar and Alicia on 14. So, when I don't know what that means, you know. The deers. Come pick one. No, it's
Or
just
just
one.
one?
Just one for both of you.
I'll shake it.
So shake it up.
So you shake it, me pick it.
Mm.
I don't know. He's like me shake it and you pick it. Alright, pick one.
Pick one. I'm looking at it.
Gotcha.
Alright.
Alright.
This okay.
Push-ups?
That easy.
Easy.
Yeah, that easy. Yeah, 25.
Girl push-ups.
No. We're gonna push up. Alright, so 25 you know. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Shall I cut it to
5.
10?
No. 7, 8, 9, 10. I actually asked them if they wanted to stop at 10, but the girls actually decided to continue. So props to them. You guys should definitely check them out after this. I have no idea what Rikisha is doing, but they did it.
22, 23, 24, 25.
25. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Adventures with us, guys. I want you guys to make sure to go and check out their channel, Adventures with Us. I'm going to link it in the description. I'm going to link it in the icon. I think it's somewhere up here. And yeah, just make sure down the road to what, 200?
Yes. Guys, we're on the road to 200. Remember to subscribe and
Subscribe
share.
to Shamar's channel also, guys. Yeah.
Alright, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching Shamar Crossfield.
Don't do it.
Alright, come. Stop. Yeah.